Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to edit screenshots in Uizard. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and go to app.uizard.com, and then you can go ahead and click on projects in here. Okay, click on the plus sign, either start from scratch or start from screenshot. Okay, now just for example, I'm going to go ahead and do start from screenshot and then wait for it to load. And then once it loads, I'm going to go ahead and click on skip examples. And in here, I can just easily drag and drop my screenshot photo, or I can go ahead and scan the QR code from here to start uploading the image from my mobile device. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on this button. And then I'm going to go ahead and find, just for example, this photo right here. I'm going to hit on open, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, I'm just going to go ahead and import. Okay. I'm going to close this pop-up right here. If you have started from scratch, don't worry, you can just click on screen right here and select screenshot. Okay. Okay. When you go ahead and click on screenshot, you can either upload from mobile, tablet, or desktop as well. Okay. Upload an image. Okay. Now in the left panel, you have options right here like shape, a text, image. If you want to add in another image, you can go ahead and click on this option. Okay. Uploads right here. And upload your own image. Okay, you have Giphy as well. Now for shapes, maybe if you wanted to create maybe a button or a hand sticker, just drag and drop. It's pretty easy, as you can see here. And by the way, this image right here, some objects will be movable. Okay, as you can see here, and we have buttons right here as well. Okay, use these points to make it bigger. Change the style if you want to, like this button icon can be like that. Add in your brand and some other options. Okay, but that's just basically that's how you edit some screenshots here in Uizard. You can go ahead and click on preview right here to check your project, or just hit on export right here and share. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.